Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off all notifications on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to temporarily disable all your notifications on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and enable Do Not Disturb. To enable this, swipe down the control center and then locate Focus, click on it. Then locate Do Not Disturb, click on this, and then it should say silence all notifications. Once turn on Do Not Disturb, this is going to silence all notifications on your iPhone. Alternatively, if you want to silence notifications for all your app, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on notifications. Now scroll down to notification style and select the application whose notification you want to turn off. Then go ahead and disable allow notifications. Now you want to repeat this on all the applications you have on your iPhone to disable notifications like that. So it's either you turn on Do Not Disturb or you repeat this on all the applications you don't want to receive notifications from to turn off all notifications on the application. And that is it. So that is exactly how to turn off all notifications on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.